How the Bear Lost Its Tail, Ojibwe Legend. Long ago in the cold of winter, Bear was walking along the frozen lake. As he was walking, Bear saw Otter near a hole in the ice. Beside Otter was a big pile of fish. Bear asked Otter how he was able to catch so many fish. At that time, Bear had a long, bushy tail, and he was very proud of it. He even bragged about his tail to the other animals. So instead of telling Bear, Otter, who was very mischievous, decided to play a trick on Bear. Otter told Bear that he caught the fish by putting his tail in the ice hole. Otter explained how he wiggled it around until a fish bit it. Then he quickly pulled the fish out of the water. Bear was eager to try and asked Otter if he could borrow his fishing hole. Otter told Bear that he had plenty of fish and that he was welcome to it. At that, Otter scooped up his pile of fish and walked away. Bear sat by the ice hole and lowered his tail into the freezing water. Then he waited. Every now and then Bear wiggled his tail, hoping a fish might notice. He waited and waited, but not even one fish nibbled on his tail. Finally, the sun was starting to set, and Bear decided to go home. As he started to stand up, though, he couldn't because his tail had frozen into the ice. Bear was stuck there. He pulled and pulled at his tail, but it didn't budge. Finally, Bear pulled with all of his might, and only a stub of his tail was left. Bear walked away sad and hungry. Ever since that day, bears have short tails.